Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Pastrami can be used for sandwiches, as well. Although, a true Reuben is made of corned beef. When it comes to corned beef versus pastrami, the difference is in the type of meat, seasonings, and cooking methods.
Take our lead.
Both cuts of beef are cured, which means they've been brined in a salt water solution. The brine may or may not include spices and seasoning. The cooking process differs after the curing. Corned beef is boiled while pastrami is smoked. 19 February 2015.
Take our lead.
The main difference between the two is the use of pickles in Thousand Island dressing, giving it more sweetness and texture. Russian dressing is known for a more piquant or spicy flavor from chili sauce and prepared horseradish. 19 June 2019.
Take our lead.
Pastrami is expensive because it is processed multiple times. First, it is brined, like corned beef. Second, it is dried and seasoned, like Bündnerfleisch, the Swiss dried meat. Finally, it is steamed, to break down the meat's fibers, which have been toughened somewhat by the other processes.
Let's help you make your mark.
The usual components are corned beef, Swiss, sauerkraut, and Russian dressing, always on rye bread, and it's typically pressed or grilled. The original sandwich is said to have been created back in the early 1900s. If you happen to have leftover ingredients, use them in a Reuben egg roll. 9 March 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.